This is how you apply your bronzer. I like to apply bronzer at the end of the makeup routine. And remember, bronzer is meant to warm up the skin. With the cream makeup, I like to go ahead and use a big fluffy brush. It's the blush and bronzer brush that I like to use. You apply it to the biggest points of the forehead. I like to go ahead and squeeze it to go ahead and rock it into the temple and into the blush. Across the nose and the chin are optional, but you see with bronzer, it's meant to give you a beautiful sun-kissed glow, not do anything over dramatic because we want to keep everything nice, subtle, and elegant. If you find that your bronzer is too red or too dark, you can always mix it with your contour and do the same exact thing. This will go ahead and calm down the bronzer from being too red or having too much color and give you a nice, beautiful balance to your bronzer that you're actually using. Just remember, don't confuse bronzer with contour.